Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is for Alpine beer products. So Alpine beer Pakistan has really amazing product. I just ordered laptop bag from Alpine beer. So let me show you what I ordered. So here's the Alpine beer bag that I ordered. So here's the Alpine beer bag. So guys, so let's get started. So without any further ado, so let me show you what I've got in the box. Alpine beer. So this is the packaging for that Alpine beer. So it's look great. The packaging is really amazing. So after unboxing, so the first thing we got the obviously Alpine beer bag. So this is the Alpine beer bag inside the box. So this is the Alpine beer first look. Beside that you will get one waterproof jacket cover for that for a bag. So this is amazing. The blue color so waterproof jacket or a waterproof cover for your bag. So this is really helpful for you guys when you are outside traveling by a bike. So this is the cinematic look for you guys. So it's feel really comfortable. Straps are really comfortable. So there is nothing hitchy like that. So straps are really comfortable. If you are a YouTuber, you can also carry your camera stuff or your mini camera or your vlogging stuff. So this is really amazing product. So as I just already unboxed it, so let me show you what's the product, what I got in that product. So here it is. So you can see. So here it is. So this is the Alpine beer laptop bag that I just ordered from Alpine beer Pakistan. So you can see this is the logo Alpine beer Pakistan. So this is the basic product from Alpine beer, but just the quality is really amazing in that price. I just ordered in just 1900. You can get this laptop bag by ordering from Alpine beer. So as you can see, the product is amazing. So the quality is good as quality is so here it is. So you can you can get one laptop portion here, and you can put another different things over here. So great product to buy that.